20 quotes to express your desire to rekindle a lost love. Love, once kindled, has a fire that seldom extinguishes completely. Even when time or circumstance pulls two hearts apart, the embers of affection often linger. When the desire to reignite a lost connection stirs within, words become your most potent tool. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 20 carefully curated quotes to help you express your yearning to rekindle a love that was once profound but faded with time. 1. Our story may have paused, but it was never finished. 2. I find myself searching for you in every whisper of the wind, hoping you'll come back to where you belong. 3. In the quiet moments of my life, your absence speaks louder than anything else. 4. No distance of time or space can dim the flame we once shared. 5. We were once the perfect harmony, perhaps it's time for us to find our rhythm again. 6. Time may have passed, but my heart never moved on. 7. We lost our way, but not each other. I believe in finding you again. 8. I still remember the way you made my world feel whole. Could we rebuild it together? 9. The stars may have shifted, but they still guide me back to you. 10. Even after all this time, your name still beats in the rhythm of my heart. 11. We weren't meant to be a fleeting memory, we were meant to last. 12. Our love was a masterpiece unfinished, let's pick up the brush once more. 13. I miss the melody we once composed together, I long for its return. 14. In every crowd, I still search for your face. 15. The chapters of our story feel incomplete without you by my side. 16. Your presence was my greatest comfort, in your absence, I've learned how much I still need you. 17. Though we've both grown, I believe we can still grow together. 18. You were the missing piece in my life's puzzle, I'm not whole without you. 19. Our love was never meant to be forgotten, only rediscovered. 20. I've wandered through life's moments, only to realize every path leads me back to you. These quotes, whether sent in a message, written in a letter, or spoken in person, can help rekindle the flame of lost love. Choose the one that resonates most deeply with your emotions, and remember, sometimes the most profound connections merely need a spark to reignite. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.